stripped spiritually. God stripped me down spiritually so that he could restore me. Have you ever restored a classic car? You strip it down. You strip down the car. You take all the paint. You strip all the paint. You just take off all of the outer layers that's coming apart and just looking like crap. Anything that's not functional or beautiful is taken away. You take it all away. Anything that's not necessary is taken away, and the car is stripped bare. The paint, everything. God stripped all of my paint. Then after you strip it, what do? You buff it, right? You buff out all of the imperfections, right? After it's all buffed and all nice and smooth, what do? You put on the base coat, the ugly, nasty coat, right? So I'm going through all of these layers of insecurity, like being homeless and not having enough money and being a filmmaker and trying to raise money for my films, trying to make money with my business. I'm Worth It Incorporated. By the way, my name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legend, because you are worth it. Yes, my real name is Liberty V Justice. I changed my name because Christ freed me, and I'm Worth It Inc. is actually a legal business. God gave me this, my name, everything. After you take the car and you strip it, and then what do? You buff it, okay? Then you got the base coat, which is usually black or that gray. Car's ugly. People see the car like, ew, why don't they take care of their car, right? And I'll see the car, I'm like, oh, I can't wait to see when it's finished. That's what God's doing to me. Once God's done with this portion of my life and walking into my wealth, and once I win that victory, the war for wealth, you're going to see me out on parade with my beautiful coat of paint and my beautiful old horn that goes, auga, auga. Like one of Jay Leno's cars. That's the way that I look at it. Is God is just spiritually stripping me and sanding me spiritually and just making me better into the beautiful classic machine that I was meant to be. I'm a masterpiece. I hope that this metaphor was useful to you, and I hope that you think of that in your war for wealth. And if you are in the war for wealth, then do me a favor, sign up and get your free money mantra ringtone that I created. All you got to do is give me your email because I want to communicate with you. Please talk to me, all right? Because you're worth it. Become part of the legend family, all right? My name is Liberty. Liberty. Justice with my mind on my money and my money on my mind to show you that you can do anything that you want to do too, because you are worth it. Let me be clear. You can make money with your art.